Right guys, welcome to Vanlife VanGaming. But before we get to Vanlife Festival, we just have to make a quick stop off in Rugby. And why not get better than get a snack as well? KFC spicy wings. Hi guys, so we're here at Autogas 2000 Leisure. So we are asking them about the situation about the LPG. So the gentleman here is basically saying that it's not many places are going to basically get rid of it. So plenty of places will still have it and stuff like that. Right guys, so it is Saturday. Everything is in full swing. But Daddy's just been talking with the people at Bluefix. And he had a very long conversation about basically what we're going to be putting in the new van and what kind of engine we're going to be putting in the new van. But if you are here, come pop in, say hi to them, ask them a few questions, or you can go onto their website. Right, so here we are at Total Cool. So we're here looking at the fridges and fans. So what happens is basically you put water in there and it blows out the cold air. So it is over 20 degrees out here, and I can feel the difference just by standing here. So as you can see, lots of people are flaunting their eco flows with basically all of their power, when they're about £1,000, when you can save your purse or wallet a lot of money by getting this one. This one is £350 and works amazing. And you can also put little scents in it with these little scent bottles or different scents, just to throw around some scents in the air. But we have had so much fun here over the past few days at the biggest Vanlife festival in the UK. There are over 200 stalls over here, but some of the major stalls which we don't normally see is Mule and Go Rogue, or Rogue Alloys I should say. But we have had so much fun because there are also live music, and the entertainment. For the live music, there are two areas, one small, one big behind, and as you can see, there is one behind me. Another thing is the entertainment, which is right over there. And another thing that we have done is we've stayed by an influencers area, and the Field of Dreams, with other events dotted around the area. For the Field of Dreams, you can go around and check out other people's vans and build what they have done. But when we want to have a bit of fun and we're not in this big major area, we like to say by the influencers vans, which is where our van is parked. And we like to hang around the vans with our friends and have a good laugh. But this weekend it has been very hot, so what we like to go and do is go by the river and feel the nice cool breeze and go on it just to cool down a bit. But this is an amazing area.
No, you know.
And we are really excited to come back to the show next year for this amazing place. But hopefully next year it will be even better, but I doubt that. This is an amazing place, and I hope you guys will come here next year too. And as it's the start of summer, that means that it's the start of our festival and our travel season. So make sure you pop along to the next video and see what we're doing next, because the next few videos will be about festivals and all these amazing places. Remember, if I can do it, you guys can do it too. Remember to like, subscribe, and press the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.